Hey, it is the giveaway. Welcome to the giveaway for the phone play. Techies, you have joined the first giveaway. So I'm going to leave you with this, okay? I want you to, while this video is going on, okay? I want you to put in the comment why you subscribe to me, okay? The reason why you subscribe. What video put you on to me? Did someone share it to you? Just put in the comment section the reason why you subscribe. You can hype the video up if you want to, but I'm going to heart your message, okay? I'm going to heart 5 techies. And if you're a super techie, you definitely get more leeway. But if any 5 techie, and you have to have been subscribed already, but you can subscribe now. Maybe if it's a real dope message, maybe. But I'm going to heart 5 comments here, and those 5 individuals are going to win a key for phone play, and you're going to be able to have this app here. And I'm going to show you what the app is about. I already made a video about it, but I'm going to show you what it actually is again here. And you can do it for COD Mobile, which it shows here, which is pretty dope. But I'm going to show you Pokemon Unite. So if you ever heard of Pokemon Unite, it's not controller supported. But with this application, with zero ban, zero lag, zero latency, seriously, with the USB connected, you're able to play any Android app on your phone with Xbox controller or PlayStation, whatever one you want to use, okay? So first and foremost, okay, you make sure you have it set up, right? But I'm going to show you how it works before I even show you how to set it up, okay? So I have the key binds here, which are pretty cool. So we got these, and I have my controller set up, LB, right stick. So let's start it up. And then we could talk about it while we play. Oh, so your screen has to be actively on here. All right. All right, how do we do this? All right, I'm gonna move this up here so I can move it. You need to keep the thing on there in order for it to work. All right, there we go. So yes, so now I am using the controller, Xbox controller, and I'm able to play the game. I mapped it already using the controller, which is right trigger. I am using right now, as you can hear. You hear that? You hear that? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Top notch. Top notch. Why does it say controller disconnect? Oh my goodness. See, look at this. Oh, now it's connected again. There we go. Just like that. Seamless. Seamless. All right. Controller's connected again. We're back at it again. But yeah, this is, it's pretty cool stuff right here. You can do it with any app. Okay. Any app. Why was there an NPC? This game is crazy. They put more buttons on the bottom here, but I'm not tripping. But okay, so for example, right? Let's say you're playing and they do add more buttons like this. All right. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull this down, right? And then you're going to have to refresh the image. It's going to refresh what your Android phone looks like and what's on the screen, right? So, okay, now they just went away. Okay. So, same buttons, same stuff here. Cool. All right, so let's move this away again, and let's continue playing. Oh, sorry. Let me put it on the jaw. All right, here we go. And let's continue playing. All right, where's the team at? Because y'all, wait, I was going to say, is that a team member over there? They're down here. But this giveaway, shout out to RD Shepherd again, man, for this opportunity. Definitely dope. I'm glad for the 5 individuals that actually get to use the actually get to use the program, because this John is definitely fire for sure. All right, I'm about to slam dunk it on here. Oh, all right, here we go. Had to slam dunk it for a second because that's just what's happening. There we go. Yo, these people are hard. I'm getting slapped. Why is Mudkip here? Your Pokemon is low on HP. Okay, I think that was supposed to happen. All right. Yeah, because none of my teammates are helping, so I just got to fight for my rights. Or these are the trainers. These are some terrible trainers. I'm getting bopped. When a Pokemon is knocked down, drop some ally energy. All right. So sometimes you have to use the clicker. And remember, you can use your mouse. As you can see, I just clicked on it. You can use your mouse while you're playing it. And I think you guys get the gist. So now that you've seen me play this game, okay, I'm going to now show you how it's set up. So the cool thing here we're going to go back to the home screen, and just like you're on the actual your phone, you can do it just like that. So I have the phone screen on here. I have how it works on here, right? So we're just going to minimize the Steam here. Yet again, SD Shepherd, thank you so much for this. You already know. So yeah, back to this. So this is how you launch it. You launch Scrappy. Okay, I'm going to X out of both of them here. Now you have to set up ADB tools, and if you don't have ADB tools set up, I have a video on what ADB tools is and how to set it up. I actually have the files on there as well. Okay, so make sure you do that. And then once you actually download the program, once you win, you're going to download the program on Steam, and then you're going to be able to launch the PhonePlay launcher. Here, where it shows you all of the special things that you can do, you can change the video bit rate. If you have a lower performing phone, you can turn it down if you like. I changed it from full screen just because I wanted to move it around. I have 3 screens. Which is pretty cool. You're able to change the inputs. So if you wanted to, you can disable keyboard input and mouse input if you wanted to. But if you wanted to, you can use a real mouse and your keyboard, into your Android device, which is pretty cool as well. But I'd rather use the actual one that's on the computer because it gives you a virtual mouse and a virtual keyboard, which it's cool, but and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's recording here too if you wanted to record, but like, I mean, you have OBS, you have other things, but I mean, this works too, which is pretty cool. And yeah, these are the locations for them. So once you download it, you're going to launch Scrappy. And what this does is once you have the ADB tools on, it's going to pull up your phone. Okay. You can't control it yet. Okay. I don't know how I can control it because you shouldn't be able to control it unless something's activated. Let me X out of this. I'm gonna discard this. Okay, so yeah, now I can't control it, right? Because the only way you can control your phone is by launching PhonePlay, okay, and make it activated. So yeah, this broadcasts your Android screen on there, launching Scrappy. Okay, that's part 1. And then once you do that, you get this screen, which is this is where you can map any application you want, any Android app on there. And now, since you hit from enable to disable, it's going to load up here. All right, bet now you can actually use it now and go to the game apps, and you're able to actually use it. So while we're on here, we are going to set up SpongeBob. I know you're like, oh my goodness, Aqua, oh my goodness, this is crazy. You're showing us 2 games. Yes, now there's many games. Like I said, you can do any of the games, okay? But SpongeBob is 10 out of 10. So you know we about to go into this. Okay, so we have SpongeBob Bikini Bottom here. And remember, put a comment at the bottom of the video if you want to win your key. Hey, we have 5 keys. Just let me know why you subscribed. What did I do for you? Like, the tech channel. And just let me know. Let me know what made you subscribe. What video and how did it help you? And just let me know what's up. Like that's it. That's all. I just want to know my community. You techies are legendary, so that's all it is, okay? So as you can see, SpongeBob is on, okay? We have the mapper over here. Remember, if you ever pull up a new screen, you have to refresh the image. Okay, that's the only way. The only way it's gonna work. Okay, you refresh the screen. Now you see SpongeBob. But we're just gonna hit play first. Okay, let's go to Bikini Bottom. This is my save game here. Please do not take my save, please. I know I'm the best. Anyway, so these buttons are pretty cool right here, right? So remember, all right, we have this going on right now, but that's because it's mapped, but it's mapped wrong, as you can see, right? So this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna refresh image. I'm gonna refresh image, and then we're gonna take all of these and we're gonna get rid of them, right? And remember, you can create a new profile here as well and save these same settings. So I'm gonna show you that. So if you ever just wanna do a SpongeBob setting, which I'm gonna, put some on the actual Steam a community page, which on the phone play you can talk about things and export your actual profile. So imagine everyone getting on here and showing each other's profiles, and you're able to do your controller here to control your actual Android apps from your actual computer, which is crazy. So yeah, so I deleted everything, right? So now I'm gonna go to left stick and I'm gonna put it here. As seamless as that. This is how easy it is, right? So you do this. I'm gonna put the radius just like this. All right, as you can see, now it's working, right? You can change it. Certain games are wonky. So you can do joystick, slide, or virtual joystick, right? Because some of these, right? So cool that you put the description here. Some of these games you have to do it a certain way. So the best one for this is joystick. You could try slide, but as you can see, it's not it, right? So you have to change it to joystick. Now it's good. So, all right. So now that we did that, we're gonna go to let's see, A probably for punch, you think? Yeah, let me see. A. Let's punch Gary. Gary, what you up to, Gary? What you doing, Gary? All right. So that's fine. That works out here, right? We got B. Let's see, B here. Okay. Attack, jump. Okay. Double jump. That double jump. What they talking about? What they talking about? All right, here we go. All right, double jump. All right, that's cool. And then I guess this could be RB. Why not? It's right near my finger, right? RB. Okay, there we go. All right, let's move this all the way. Oh, then this could be the start menu. Start. All right, let's see. Start. All right, start again. That didn't work. All right, let me see. So start. What? Maybe back. All right, let's do back here. Okay, back. Start. Back. Start. Start back. Okay, so exit. All right. So yeah, you know how these games are. Certain games, you have to figure out another way to do these inputs. So as you can see, look, now there's more buttons. So you know how you have to fix this though, right? In order to add an additional button over here, like the talk button, you're gonna have to refresh. So let's go back here. All right. We're going to refresh image because now there's a talking thing here. And I'm going to put X here because X seems like the better thingamabob. There. Okay, X. All right. So since I pressed it on the actual thing because my input of the controller John is on the John, now that's happening, right? So it says tap and hold to skip. Tap on the screen. I'm just hold one of the buttons. Oh, wait. You got to. All right. I'm going to tap one of the buttons. There we go. All right. All right. All right. So, whoa. All right. Hold on. 1 second. Oh, there we go. All right. It was just glitching for a second. All right. Now we're good. All right. And then we'll talk. All right. There we go. So now the talk button works. And for this, I guess you're just gonna. I don't have a button for the X button, but I'm sure there's something that we can do for it. Figure it out. Maybe select or right stick. Maybe. But yeah, so this is pretty cool though. Like it's pretty cool stuff. I highly recommend you using an Xbox controller though. There is other profiles on here. We're gonna get to that here. There is other profiles also on here that you can change for your controller. So button names could be Xbox, PlayStation, and Switch. So for those who are freaky enough to use the Switch controller on here, the Pro controller, go ham. But yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, this is really awesome. This is just another way. We gone over other methods, but this method is definitely high class. And RD Shepherd is definitely keeping me in touch. So I'm definitely going to be making more videos. Excuse me. I'm definitely going to be making more videos on this. So just stay tuned. Definitely keep me posted on what your favorite method is. But five Steamy. I don't know who's going to win. I really don't know. But I appreciate y'all. And I hope whoever wins this giveaway, you use this to your full ability. You show some profiles. You can export some profiles and you'll have phone play. And I highly recommend it. I cannot. I even wrote on here. I was like, yo, 10 out of 10 IGN. Like, what are we talking about? This is legit the best. This is cool. No, seriously. I highly recommend this. Can't wait to see who wins. Thank you so much for joining my first giveaway. If there's anything else you want me to cover about this, please let me know. I have so many other videos I want to make for this. I know there is a market for Call of Duty Mobile, so I'm going to make a video for that to show how to easily set up these profiles on here. And as you can see, I have this saved, so I'm just going to save it here, or you can save as profile name, right? SpongeBob. I just messed up my United profile, but I am one. So SpongeBob, square pants C. You know what I'm saying? And now we're gonna save as, right? So now whenever I play SpongeBob, you're able to get on here and it's gonna be saved, right? It's gonna be saved. So you can go to here, Unite, right? You can load it. Wait, you could load it. So now it's loaded for a whole nother profile. But then let's say I want to go back on SpongeBob. Go on here, load. Bet Den. Go back on here. Bet Den. That's what I'm saying. That's how we do it. Okay. So if you have any other questions, thank you so much for joining my giveaway. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'm gonna see you on the next video. Make the best one win. I appreciate y'all. Peace.